Modern Age, MCQs, Physics, Class 2nd Year, Unit 11, Electrostatic, Part 1. An object is electrified by option A, warming, option B, cooling, option C, rubbing, option D, dropping. The key is rubbing. The correct option is C. Reason: when an object is rubbed with a suitable material, it acquires a property of attraction of small pieces of paper. Such property of the object is called charge, and the body is said to be electrified. Hence, an object is electrified by rubbing. Note: the charge is a property of matter. A glass rod is rubbed with silk. The charge acquired by the silk is A. 99.1 times the charge of electron, B. 100 times the charge of electron, C. 100.7 times the charge of electron, D. 100.9 times the charge of electron. Key: 100 times the charge of electron. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: in electrification of a body, the electrons are added or removed from the body in whole number, because an electron and its charge cannot be divided further. Hence, the charge on body is quantized as the Q is equal to NE, where N is the quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and E is a quantum of charge which is equal to the charge of an electron. Hence, the charge on silk is 100 times the charge of electron. The charges QE and QP on electron and proton are respectively related as option A, QE greater than QP, option B, QE less than QP, option C, QE is equal to minus QP, option D, QE is equal to QP. The key is QE is equal to minus QP. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the electron is a negatively while the proton is a positively charged particle. The magnitude of charges is same, which is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, but polarity is opposite. Hence, they are related as QE is equal to minus QP. In SI unit, the charge is measured in option A, ampere, B, Kelvin, C, farad, D, coulomb. The key is coulomb. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the SI unit of charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb is the charge carried by current of 1 ampere in 1 second through certain region. It is a derived unit. Hence, the SI unit of charge is coulomb. The charge on a body can be minimized to option A, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, B, 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 coulomb, C, 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 coulomb, B, 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 coulomb. The key is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason: One quantum of charge is equal to the charge of an electron, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The charge is minimized to one quantum, Q is equal to E. That is, if the deficiency of electrons or excess of electrons on a body is 1, the charge is minimum. Hence, the charge on a body can be minimized to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. A body is positively charged up to 1.6 coulomb by removing option A 10 power minus 19 electrons, B 10 power plus 19 electrons, C 10 power minus 12 electrons, B 10 power plus 12 electrons. The correct option is 10 power plus 19 electrons. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the charge on a body is given by Q is equal to N into E, where N is the quantum number and E is the charge of the electron. The number of electrons in 1.6 coulomb is N is equal to Q by E, or N is equal to 1.6 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 1.6 is cancelled with the 1.6 and denominator is written in numerator as 10 power plus 19. Hence, a body is positively charged up to 1.6 coulomb by removing 10 power plus 19 electrons. A charge of 1 coulomb contains option A 6.3 into 10 power minus 18 electrons, B 6.3 into 10 power minus 12 electrons, C 6.3 into 10 power plus 12 electrons, B 6.3 into 10 power plus 18 electrons. The key is 6.3 into 10 power plus 18 electrons. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the charge is quantized, Q is equal to Ne, and the number of electrons in 1 coulomb is N is equal to Q divided by E, or N is equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, or N is equal to 0.625, because 1 divided by 1.6 is equal to 0.625 into 10 power plus 19, or N is equal to 6.25 into 10 power plus 18, which is equal to 6.3 into 10 power plus 18 electrons, because we have rounded here 6.25 to 6.3. Hence, the charge of 1 coulomb contains 6.3 into 10 power 18 electrons. 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by a distance r. The Coulomb's force is directly proportional to option A R, B R square, C Q1 into Q2, D Q1 divided by Q2. The key is Q1 into Q2. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the force between 2-point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. It is a statement of Coulomb's law. Hence, the Coulomb's force is directly proportional to Q1 into Q2. 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by a distance r. The Coulomb's force is inversely proportional to option A R, option B R square, option C Q1 into Q2, option D Q1 divided by Q2. The key is R square. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the force between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It is the statement of Coulomb's law. Hence, the Coulomb's force is inversely proportional to R square. 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by a distance R. Putting A is equal to K Q1 Q2, Coulomb's law in mathematical form is: option A, F vector is equal to A divided by R into R unit vector. B, F vector is equal to A divided by R into R vector. C, F vector is equal to A divided by R square R unit vector. D, F vector is equal to A divided by R square R vector. The key is A divided by R square into R unit vector. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason: the force between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. In mathematical form, F is proportional to the product of Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of distance R. F vector is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square into R unit vector, where K into Q1 Q2 is equal to A. Hence, Coulomb's law in mathematical form is F is equal to A divided by R square into R unit vector.